This is going to be the first video in a series of tutorials for GSA Search Engine Ranker. I decided to split the videos up over sections instead of making one long hour-long video or however long it's going to take. So for the first thing, we're just going to cover all the options here, what some of this stuff is, and then we'll go into the global options. Okay, so to start, over here on the left hand side we have the project window. Every time you create a new project, it'll drop down right here. Over here we have on the right side we have the last verified URLs window. As new links get built and submissions are verified, they'll appear over here. And down here, this bottom window is just your activity log. As the software is running, you can see, get an idea of what it's doing. If it's signing up for websites or posting links, you'll see all that down here. But when you first start the software, it will be completely blank. There won't be any of this here. There's a few options. To start a campaign, well, you would click the new button. To activate it, you can click here, or you can activate it like this. You can select all of them, activate, or go to inactive. Then you have your options for exporting URLs. You would go to show URLs. You can export your submitted URLs or your URLs that have been verified. So I'll open that up now. And here you can see all the details for your URL. If you right click, you can sort by PageRank. And PageRank is listed here. The URL where your link has been left is here. Anchor text, what type of engine it was. If the link is dofollow, it'll have an X by it. If the link is indexable, it'll have an X by it down here. This is the amount of internal links, the amount of external links, project name, and then your website. By clicking verify, it will run the verification project again. These links have already been verified and confirmed that your link is actually on that page, but in time your link will fall off that page and sometimes go to the second page if it's like an article directory or something like that, and you can re-verify and check which ones have moved off the page. Then you have your export options here, all different kinds of formats. If you just want to export the URL and PR, the URL only, all that. And let's see, you can choose to export as text or as a CSV by selecting down here. Also, you have the stats button, and this is a graph that'll show you how many links were built on which day. It'll give you a breakdown of the different types of links that were built, and then it'll tell you how many links are dofollow. And you can save these, print them out, whatever you want to do, and you can also select different time frames. So that's a pretty neat feature there. If you want to build your own auto-approve list, so let's say here we have all these verified URLs. You can actually select them all and go to verified. So now we have all your URLs in the list that the software has been capable of posting to. And then you can export them by the actual page URL where your link was left, or the domain. So that would be the root domain. So we'll just grab the URL and we could name it AA list 3938 exported successfully. Then what we would do is we could open up a project and click import target URLs. If you right click on a project, click on import target URLs, and that will automatically import your AA list. You just select your AA list and import it in, and there you go. You also have a few other options. If you right click on a project, go to modify project, of course you can edit it. Delete target URL cache. It's similar to browser cache. As your project is building links, it remembers where your links have been left. If you delete this target URL cache, it basically forgets that, and you could end up building links to the same platforms over again. Verify all links. The way this works is the software doesn't build your links and then right away check to see if the link has been verified on that page. So it can take up to 5 hours to run through the verification process. So over here on this column here, submitted links isn't the number of total links submitted. This is the number of links pending to be ran through the verification process. So if it finds your link on that page, the number here will increase and this number will go down. So you can see here that this says 0, which confuses a lot of people. But actually that means all the links have been verified, and that's why you see this number here. So the verify all links is there. If you want to have it run through the verification process a lot faster, if you don't want to wait 5 hours or whatever, you can click that. A box will pop up saying all links will get verified for your selected projects on next verification. And that way when it runs the verification, it'll try to go through more, and that'll usually fill this out faster and bring up your verification list a lot faster. And as your links are verified, that's what this window is for. You'll see them start to appear here. If they're in red, that means it's just a statistics site. It's really not too much benefit here. If it's a yellow, that means it's no follow. If it's in green, that means it's do follow. These little icons mean different things. Some will be articles, some will be forums. You've got your page rank here. You've got the country here, and then if you hover over, you can actually see more details. You can see the project name, what type of engine was used, anchor text, if it's do follow, if it's indexable, page rank, the amount of internal and external links. So that's just kind of convenient to give you information on the links that have been built. So for example, if you notice that you're getting a ton of guest books or something like that, and you want to actually say you want more article directories or something like that, you can go to that project, you can duplicate it, and then all you would have to do is go in, click edit, and just uncheck the ones you don't want. So you would only have articles, and if you wanted, you could set that priority to higher, and oops, let me hit ignore.